This is a tool we've done for the automotive industry. We have custom jaws in here designed to go into a specific hole in the part. This tool has the ability to pick up the part. We have a center of gravity adjustment for when it's loaded, so we'll kick it over to the load position, which will level this out. Then we have the ability to pitch this momentarily. So one of the cool features of this is when they're going to set this into a jig for machining, you can now pitch it to the exact angle, and what they're probably going to do is tap the float mode button. This is on a Gorbel easy arm, so you have really nice finite control spotting, you know, in the X, Y, but in the Z, you have the ability to put it in float mode. So we'll go ahead and tap this button on the controller, and now I could come over here and grab the part, be right next to it when loading a CNC. So float mode, you know, takes a couple 100 pounds with the tool and the part. You can move it all with one finger. So we'll go ahead and pitch this back down. The other thing we have here is an anti-drop circuit. So with our tools, a safety feature we have is an anti-drop circuit. So I'll hold the release button here. This system right here cuts air to this handle when a load's introduced. So until I set this down, you cannot release the part. Now that it's set down, go back to the unloaded condition, you're back to level, and that is the basic operation of this tool. For any other questions, feel free to give us a call or visit us at ergonomicpartners.com. Thank you.